Turo University. The best way to avoid making mistakes on the Turo platform is actually pretty simple. It's a few things you can do. Highly recommend going on Yelp, going on BBB, going on Google, Google for Business, going on Turo website itself and looking at bad reviews. And that's the best way to figure out what not to do and what mistakes not to make. People that make bad mistakes, it's one thing making a mistake that's truly like a mistake, like oops, I slipped. But it's one thing when you do fraud or you mess up a Turo guest experience or you're a bad host. What you want to do essentially, what I would strongly encourage, if you want to learn what not to do, go on Turo first, look at Turo reviews, and try to find bad reviews that are 1-star reviews, 2-star reviews. Maybe you'll see this Turo host had a dirty car or they were rude or whatever the case, and just don't do that. Go on Yelp, go on Google and Bing, and look at Turo reviews and see, and it's usually around a Turo host that did something bad. That's how you learn what not to do. Really common sense, but if you don't have that, or if you're trying to figure out really just like, hey, I really just don't want to make a mistake, go on Turo, look at reviews, and just don't do the bad reviews. Read the bad reviews and make sure you don't do that. Do the opposite. Do good. Do good. That's what I would say. How not to make mistakes. Anyways, love you guys. Love, subscribe, share. Conrad Layn out. Peace.